Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Barbie Cake Decorating Playset for ages 4 and up. We found this at Target for $29.99. It is one of those Barbie playsets that use Barbie dough, allowing us to bake and decorate. On the back of the box, there is a picture of the playset. It says cake box included, includes confetti dough, which contains wheat. Ooh, fine print. Dough may stain fabric and other surfaces. Avoid contact with carpet, clothing, walls, and furniture. Across the bottom, we have some simple instructions. For one, we insert the dough, then the cake rises, add designs, decorate, then display and pay. Let's get this out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, there are instructions with a list of contents and more lovely little notices at the bottom.
Doll cannot stand on its own. Notice appearance, play compound, contains wheat. Remember that from earlier. Dough included is not edible, just for play purposes only. Dough may stain fabrics and other surfaces. Avoid contact with carpet, clothing, walls, and furniture. Protect play area before use. Remove the dough. Rinse it with water. Okay.
When we open it up, there are picture instructions on how to use the playset. We'll get to that in a minute. The doll included has the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. She wears a gray dress with pink stitching around the edges. There is no Velcro in the back. And she wears a pink, yellow, and white apron that has little cake slices all over it. That does Velcro in the back. And she comes with a pair of pink tennis shoes. I love pink shoes! Even though the outfit does not open in the back, it can easily be transferred to another doll. All right, now let's fire up that oven and get to baking. Welcome to the Darby Baking Show. Wait, what? A competition to see who is the best baker in Darbyville. Wait a minute, I didn't sign up for a baking show. Each contestant gets 3 containers of Barbie dough. What other contestants? 3 cake toppers, an icing bag with a heart stamp on the end, a cake top smoother, a cake slicer, fork, knife, a plate, cake box, a baking station with a display, a decorator, cake stand, the oven, and a place to store all the accessories, so you can keep your workspace nice and tidy. All right, bakers, on your mark, get set, bake! Oh no, what do I do? First thing we have to do is pull this out. Let me see if I have to open the door first. There we go. Yep. This is how we form the cakes. We have a small size and a larger one. Get the Barbie dough, take a small piece, roll it into a ball, place the ball in one of the sizes, use this little cake smasher thing and push it down. There we go. Oh wow, that was pretty easy. Add Barbie dough to the other side, press down and wiggle it a little bit. I don't think I added enough to that one. Okay, let's do it again. There we go. All right, I got it. Looks like it is better to add more than you need because we use this little tool to remove the excess. Take the extra Barbie dough and place it back in the container. Place the cakes back in the oven, close the door, pull the lever down on the side, and the cakes are rising! That is so cool. Everything was all pink, so we should probably try this again in a different color. Remove the cakes. Use the cake slicer to get it out of the oven. That's pretty neat. There is a hole on the bottom of the cake, so we can place it on top of this little cake stand. Slide it over to the little decorator thing. Turn the bottom of the cake stand to press a design into the side of the cake. Oh wow, it works! grab the icing bag and press little hearts into the top. Whoa, my hearts are a little wonky. Maybe I shouldn't press so hard. Pick out a cake topper to finish the cake. I did it! I made a cake! Time's up, contestants. Time to judge the cakes. We have to cut a slice. Okay. Yep. Might need some assistance here. Okay, here we go. Cutting right into the cake. Let's move it over. There we go. Cutting a nice big slice. And let's see if we can pick that up. Well, I guess it wasn't that big of a slice. And the whole cake is coming with us. Okay, let's try again. Can we just cut a slice of cake? No, cake fail. The cake is on the floor. I repeat, the cake is on the floor. Oh no, my cake. What do I do now? Time for the bonus round. Sophie, you will have 1 hour to create 2 perfect cakes to place in the display. On your mark, get set, bake! I'm going to make one of my cakes out of teal Barbie dough. Well, I guess it's more of a sky blue. Mash it down, place it in the oven, close the door, and watch it bake. Baby, not bad. Got some good texture on the side. I'm gonna use this little tool to get the cake on the cake stand. There we go. Let's try this one. Slide the cake over and rotate to decorate. Place the rainbow on top and into the display you go. Contestants, 10 minutes left on the clock. Just 10 minutes. What? How did the time go by so fast? For my next cake, let's use the confetti Barbie dough. For a small cake, that might have been too much. And pink for the other one. I totally did not make that into a ball, but it's just gonna have to do. We're running out of time. Yeah, once again, too much. There we go. Put it in the oven. This time we're gonna use the hearts. Slide the cake over, rotate it. You can kind of see it. There we go, that's better. Use icing to add a few hearts on top. 5 minutes. What? Okay, forget the hearts. Place the confetti cake on top. Add the decoration on top. Oh no, it barely fits into the display case. And time's up. Let's try those cakes. We can take a slice out of the blue one. This time the cake cuts a lot easier. Put it on the plate, then use a fork to get a bite. Oh, this is not working. Wait. Okay, can we just do it like that? All right, that'll work. Oh no, do not eat the cake. It is totally not edible. Oh well. Considering I'm the only contestant, I guess I won anyway. Sophia Darby, the best baker in Darbyville! Thank you! And thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Barbie Cake Decorating playset. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.